Hello. In this video, I will be replacing my VX1000's viewfinder ribbon cable. Just last weekend, I was out and about with my family, and as I was filming, the image, as you can see here, definitely. And so I looked up the symptoms on the camera, and it sounds that it was that problem. So I went to eBay and I ordered 2 ribbon cables from MasterTech out in Massachusetts. Shout outs to them. Alright, so first off, we need to get this viewfinder pulled out either by pulling on this lever. I ain't no expert on building these or taking apart. I do know how to use them pretty good, but anyways, yeah, I will be guiding myself with Matt Furman video, the VX1000 viewfinder repair, because he's very detailed on what I gotta do. And so yeah, I'm just gonna start with the top here. I really want to be careful to not strip neither of these bolts because I don't have any replacements. Good thing I have a magnetic screwdriver because I am very good at losing little screws. So that's out. Oh yeah, here's I ordered 2 from him. Thank you from Carrie. Hey, thanks Carrie. I'm very stoked to give this a shot. It looks so cool. All right. Then you gotta get 3 bolts out. Holy smokes. That's crazy. I got it out. I'm kinda scared I'm gonna ruin something. I think I broke that one for sure.
I have no idea what that's like.
Here's the old and the new. that's it. Should be good, technically. Moment of truth. Oh, dude, it works. It's perfect. It's most likely hard to see. I'm sorry. Let's see. Kind of focus there, but it worked. Beyond excited. I'm gonna put the viewfinder back on there. Oh yeah, we are on business. Good stuff. Pretty cool. You can see a little better now. I don't know what was wrong with this one, but it looks smushed. Yeah. Oop, and it broke like that. There it is. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Peace.